there, it's Renia and I am super excited. I am hosting a very powerful workshop, how to have the best year in your business and life. And I want you to join me. And here is what you are going to get. You will get a crystal clear plan for your goals and desires for 2022. You are going to get a strategy on how to get clients right away. And we are also going to make a plan for you how you can start making money now. All of that to help you take your business to the next level. And you're here for a treat because some of the strategies that I will be sharing with you on this workshop are the strategies that I use only in coaching my private clients. So here is what you will do. I would like you to sign up using the link, and I would like you to also add the date into your calendar. February 24th, 5 p.m. Eastern Time. I look forward to seeing you. See you then.